Hi there, this is Ekrem Karaca calling. In this video, I'm gonna talking about Crystal language. So I have a presentation to introduce you to a Crystal language. Let's take a look. Crystal programming language, or in a short, Crystal is open source, general purpose, actively developed, relatively new, about 6 years old. In terms of releasing first version, it's 3 years. Object-oriented and compiled language. Crystal language is aimed to be fast as C, slick as Ruby. That makes the programming in Crystal more fun, in my opinion, of course. Crystal was started development in 2011. Its first stable version was released in 2014. It was influenced by, alongside Ruby and C, Rust language, Go language, C# language, and Python languages. It has now more than 900 stars, 9,000 stars and 200 contributors on GitHub. It's easy to say hello in Crystal, like one line puts hello world. It's also easy to create a basic HTTP server in Crystal within a few lines, like so. Don't worry, you can find the example on the Crystal's language on crystallang.org. Crystal also has some features like static type checking, which makes you possible to avoid programming errors. Also null reference checking, which also helps you to check against the null references, which might be painful for you. Union types during the compile time running, which makes your variables having more than one type. It also has C bindings, macros for metaprogramming, and more. For last words, which is in my opinion, Crystal is a relatively new programming language. It's a mixture of some at first Ruby and other languages talked before. Does it have a future? When I look for projects and the people who contribute to Crystal, yeah, it has a future, but it needs more support, more people to support, more money to support. So I suggest you take a look at Crystal language and give it some support, not only for money but also for coding or spreading the word, and etc. That's all, folks. Thanks so much for our presentation. If I made some mistakes, I apologize first. Thanks so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.